Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss here the new topic of polymer chemistry, molar mass and its determination. In that topic, we have to discuss about the number average molar mass as well as weight average molar mass. First of all, we have to take some information about the polymer. Second one is the monomer. And third definition is of polymerizations. What is meant by the polymer, monomer and polymerization? Polymer are the macromolecule of a high molecular weight. Polymers are macromolecule of high molecular weight composed of smaller structural unit called as a monomer. Polymers are the macromolecules of high molecular weight which is composed of a smaller structural unit called as monomer. यानी कि पॉलीमर ये मोनोमर से बने होती है. अभी देखेंगे मोनोमर क्या है. द स्मॉलेस्ट रिपीटिंग स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट और smallest structural unit. These are the monomer are the smallest structural unit which repeat again and again to form a polymer. After that, what is meant by the polymerization? The formation of polymer from a monomer unit is known as a polymerization. That means it is the process of a formation of a polymer. Polymerization. That means the process of formation of a polymer from a monomer is known as a polymerization. Now we have to discuss how to calculate the number average molar mass. Number average molar mass. What is meant by the number average molar mass and weight average molar mass? Number average molar mass. It is the sum of number fraction. It is the sum of number fraction contribution. It is the sum of number fraction contribution of each chain molecular weight. It is the sum of number fraction contributions of each chain molecular weight is known as a number average molar mass or number average molar mass. After that, weight average molar mass or molecular weight. It is the sum of weight fraction. It is the sum of weight fraction here, number fraction, and in the second definition the word used is a weight fraction. It is the sum of weight fraction contributions of each chain molecular weight. Now we have to discuss this how to calculate the number average molar mass or number average molecular weight of polymer by taking some example. Here we are going to take one of the example. There are 4 monomer name, number of such a monomer and weight of monomer. Here monomer name, number and weight of monomer. Suppose we have to consider here monomer A. There is a one monomer of A and this weight of this monomer is 60. Second is the monomer B, 1 and weight 50. Third monomer C, it is also taking in quantity as 1, 40 or 30. And last one monomer is a D, which is taken in a quantity as a 1 and whose weight is a 10. There are 4 monomer. Monomer A, it is taken as a 1. Number of monomer A is a 1 and weight of this monomer is a 60 gram. Monomer B, quantity is 1. Monomer have weight 50 gram. Third monomer C, quantity 1 and weight of this monomer is a 30. And monomer D, quantity 1 and weight of this monomer is a 10. That means there are 4 monomers are here taken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total monomer 4. Here we have to calculate number average molar mass. Number average molar mass. Number average molar mass of polymer. Now here we have to first calculate the number fraction of each polymer. Number fraction of each polymer into molecular weight of monomer. Number fraction of each monomer. Number fraction of each monomer and molecular weight of each monomer. And number average molar mass is equal to number fraction of each monomer into molecular weight of each monomer. That means number fraction. Here there are 4 monomer, from which monomer A is a 1. Therefore, number fraction is a 1 by 4. 1 out of 4. There are total 4 monomer, but monomer A is only 1. Therefore, 1 by 4 into molecular weight of this monomer A is 60 plus this is the number fraction contributions of monomer A. Similarly, the number fraction contributions of monomer B is 1 by 4 into 50. Now third number fraction contributions of third monomer C, 1 by 4 into 30. And last one is the number fraction contributions of monomer D is 1 by 4 into 10. That means if we have to calculate the answer of these calculations, then we can find out the value of number average molar mass. Now if we calculate the value of this product, then we will get the answer. Contributions of first monomer is 15, second 12.5, third one is 7.5 and last one is 2.5. If we sum all the four values, then we will get the answer 37.5. This is the value of number average molar mass of given polymer. But after that, here we have to calculate again the weight average molar mass. How you can calculate the weight average molar mass? Weight average molar mass. It is also summation of weight fraction of each monomer into molecular weight of each monomer. Weight fraction of each monomer and molecular weight of each monomer. The first monomer have molecular weight 60, second monomer have molecular weight 50, third monomer have molecule 30, and last fourth monomer have molecular weight 10. Weight fraction of each monomer, that means here we have to calculate the sum of all the weights 0, 6 and 5, 11, 11 and 3, 14 and 15. There are total weight is 15. From that total weight, the weight of first monomer is 60. Here the weight contributions of a first monomer A. For monomer A, weight contribution is 60 out of 150 into molecular weight of first monomer, that means 60. Also plus, here we have to use a sign summation. Therefore, here we have to add the weight fractions of each monomer. Second one is the B. Weight fraction for a second monomer 50 out of 150 into weight of the monomer B is 50. Also third monomer, weight contribution for third monomer is 30 out of 150 into 30, and weight fraction of last monomer D 10 out of 150 into 10. Now if we calculate all the values, then if we calculate by using calculator, then we will get the answer 24. Weight contributions of first monomer is 24, second one is the 16.66, third one is a 6, and last one is a 0.66. If we have to add all these answers, then we will get the new answer as a 47.32. This is the weight average molar mass of that particular polymer. आज के लिए जो मैंने नंबर एवरेज मोलर मास और वेट एवरेज मोलर मास के लिए जो 4 मोनोमर लेके उनकी एक एक क्वांटिटी लेके उनका वेट लेके वेट एवरेज और नंबर एवरेज और वेट एवरेज कैसे निकालने का ये आपको बताया। मेरे ख्याल से आपको थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आ गया होगा। तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम अगर क्वांटिटी इनकी चेंज करते हैं मोनोमर की, तो हाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट द नंबर एवरेज मोलर मास एज वेल एज वेट एवरेज मोलर मास कैसे निकालेंगे, ये नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। थैंक यू।